In this video, we'll be sharing with you some simple and effective ways to save money on a daily basis. Tip 1. Make a budget and stick to it. One of the most important things you can do to save money is to make a budget and stick to it. This will help you keep track of your spending and make sure you're not overspending. Tip 2. Shop around and compare prices. Don't be afraid to take the time to shop around and compare prices before making a purchase. This can often lead to significant savings, especially when it comes to big-ticket items. Tip 3. Use coupons and discounts wisely. Coupons and discounts can be a great way to save money, but it's important to use them wisely. Don't be swayed by a good deal if it's for something you don't really need or want. Tip 4. Cut unnecessary expenses. Take a look at your budget and see if there are any areas where you can cut unnecessary expenses. This can free up more money to put towards savings and investments. Tip 5. Don't be afraid to negotiate. Whether you're negotiating a salary at work or the price of a big purchase, it's important to be confident and speak up for what you're worth. Don't be afraid to negotiate and ask for a better price. Tip 6. Use cash whenever possible. Paying with cash can help you stay on budget and avoid overspending. Try to use cash for small purchases whenever possible. Tip 7. Cook at home. Eating out can be expensive, so try to cook at home as much as possible. This can save you money on food and give you more control over what you're eating. Tip 8. Use energy-efficient appliances. Energy-efficient appliances can save you money on your utility bills and are better for the environment. Consider switching to energy-efficient appliances when it's time to replace your old ones. Tip 9. Turn off lights and electronics when not in use. This simple habit can save you money on your energy bills and reduce your carbon footprint. Tip 10. Walk or bike instead of driving. Walking or biking instead of driving can save you money on gas and wear and tear on your car. It's also good for your health and the environment. We hope these tips have been helpful in saving money on a daily basis. Remember, it's about being mindful of your spending and making small changes that add up over time. Thanks for watching.